Hey there, everyone. This is Clever from ReleaseTEAM, and today I'm going to show you how to run a travel agency from the Atlassian Suite. First, we're going to get input from our potential customers. So I am going to create a Jira Service Management space to get all these customer requests. I created this space, and we're going to use Rovo AI to create a request type. So I'll just type in what I need from my request type. Rovo gave me some request types, and I am going to create a book new. And after clicking a few buttons, I have created my request type, and now I will create a form. Now I am going to continue to use Rovo AI to suggest some fields for my request type. So Rovo AI gave me these types of requests, and I'm going to add it to my field, to my form. Using the feedback from Rovo AI, I then created a travel booking information form using this easy to use GUI interface to make sure I have all the fields I need from my potential customer in order to book travel. JSM then helps me create this external facing customer portal where my potential customers can go in and fill out the forms required so they can get their travel booked and ready to with an agent. The customer can then track the status of all their inquiries that they've sent in. Meanwhile, on the agent side, our agent can go in and start looking at all the information our customer inputted and start working on contacting the customer. They can do so by switching the status on our custom workflow to working with customer just to make the customer know that we are actively working on their travel. Using the multi-space work feature, a supervisor can go in and see how many work items still need work to be completed on, and they can keep track of their team and the progress of all these inquiries within one view. I realized that I need to find a way to tell my team that whenever travel plans are ready to be created, that they get the proper tasking in their backlog. So I'm going to use Robo to create some Jira automations. I'll show you how to do that real quick. So here on the automation page, I'm going to create a automation with Robo to create subtasks whenever requests are transitioned to the creating travel plans stage. I want a book flight subtask, a book hotel subtask, and a book tour subtask. So let's run that. So here on our create automation screen, Robo has created this automation without any input. If I know that a certain person or a certain team of mine has to book hotels, I can just go in and make sure all the subtasks are automatically assigned to myself. We'll turn on rule and see it in action. So we already have all the information we need from this customer on this request. So I am going to transition this to creating travel plans. As you can see, Jira has automatically created three subtasks and assigned the book hotels one to myself so we can keep track of where we are within the travel booking process. So I already booked the hotels, so I'm going to mark this as done, set the resolution to done, and move this work item to done. This will then trigger an email to the customer with all their flights, tours, and hotels. So, with the power of JSM, Robo, and automation, we can create a space for your agents to more efficiently complete the work and for all our managers and supervisors to be able to track where work is. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Otherwise, please like and subscribe and follow Release Team.